Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. To do it, you have to right click the battery icon and go to the power and sleep settings, then open the energy saver menu, and to enable it manually you have to switch this toggle to the right. If you want to enable to make power saving mode enable automatically, you have to open this list and select the value from it. If you select always, your energy saver will turn on once your device gets unplugged from the power source. And the last toggle lets you decide whether to lower screen brightness when your battery saver is turned on. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.